welcome to Vlogmas day 19? 18?
18.
18.
We know what day it is.
Do we? I feel
No.
like the days are just going into each other. So, it's Thursday. You know what that means. It's pizza night.
Pizza night? Live show night?
Live show, baby.
Today's the holiday party.
What?
Today's our holiday party on the live stream.
Oh, okay, yes, because we're not going to have one next week because it's Christmas.
It's Christmas.
Because it's Christmas. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So, I haven't done any crocheting since yesterday morning. I have just been working right now, effing around with the jasmine stitch. It's a whole thing.
I'm excited for your journey. I think you're going to have fun.
Mm,
It's always fun to learn like a new stitch or technique or something, you know?
stitch. It's a lot. I might have to take a break from it and let it get into my hands a little bit
Yeah.
and come back to it because I find that really helps.
Yeah, sometimes it's good to just step away from something for a little while.
Step away, let it sink into your brain, through the air,
Mm-hmm.
through your hands, and then when you come back to it, it's like, oh, that was not such a big deal.
Exactly.
Shawnee, what'd you get in the mail today?
Rudolph.
Show us. Show us, don't tell us. Oh, does his nose light up? Oh, they lied. The listing said it made noise and the nose still lit up.
Does he need a new battery or something?
You cannot change the batteries
Why?
because they made them not to be changed.
Oh. What happens when the batteries run out?
You're screwed.
Well, that's a bummer.
Unless I can cut him open discreetly and do some surgery. But that makes me upset because I bought the more expensive one because they said that it still worked.
That's not cool.
I guess I'm going to have to go back and let them know that they effed up.
Y'all lied.
Yeah. Darn it. Well, that's depressing.
I could just see them being like, well, it worked, maybe it crapped out, like, in transit, like it worked before.
Yeah. Well, that doesn't do me any good.
No.
So, I guess I have to take care of that now. But like I said, it's Thursday. We're almost at the end of the week. We're getting into the phase of holiday enjoyment. Because we've done most of the hard, heavy lifting already.
Yeah.
So, wrapping should be fairly simple because...
Well, I'm going to be doing that tonight.
Yeah. It should be simple because we just do the reusable fabric bags. So,
It
like,
makes life a lot easier.
no fuss, no muss. We need to find some ribbons and some tags. And that's pretty much it, except for holiday ingredient shopping. I think I'm going to be going to the health food store this weekend. So if you got a list of any specialty items that you would like.
Okay.
Maybe you would like some Christmas bacon.
Maybe.
Mushroom bacon.
Yeah.
Yeah. Got it. We finished our cards. We have to
Very
make...
satisfying dropping them off at the post office.
Was it?
Today, yes.
Yeah, I like that. Got to get our cookie list honed down.
Mm-hmm.
I don't think we should do any more than 4 or 5 types of cookies.
Yeah, anything more than that is unnecessary.
Definitely at the top of the list are the vegan Italian tricolor cookies. I might have to pick up some food coloring this weekend. I don't know if I still have any more of those. But those were so delicious last year.
Yeah, they were.
Wish I had made a double batch and that they just went on forever and ever, but they came to an end, and I'm not gonna lie, it's very involved. It's a lot of work. I think I made a video about it last Vlogmas.
Mm-hmm.
They were so good.
Yeah, they were delicious. I'm looking forward to that.
I defy you to find anyone who could tell the difference between those and the actual. They might have even been better.
Just maybe.
They might have been a bit better. I'm just gonna toot my own horn. Toot toot. And
Susie Toot.
I just saw her recently. I forget where I saw her.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I guess they're touring now.
Yeah.
They're doing like their little shows.
Well, the new season's gonna be starting up soon.
I know, January.
All new queens.
Yeah, like 16 new queens, right? Or is
Yeah.
it more than that?
I'm not sure. We gotta look at the cast again, but
Yeah, looks really
it's gonna be
good.
wonderful.
You told me this morning, to which I audibly squealed. Emily in Paris is back today.
Yeah. So we're gonna have to watch that soon.
Mm-hmm. We're sitting on a Game of Wool
Yeah,
episode.
we got a Game of Wool episode.
Maybe we should watch that during dinner.
Okay. I gotta wrap the presents soon, though.
Yeah, because I bet Daddy would even be interested in Game of Wool.
Oh?
Yeah, why not?
Okay.
He wants to see what his wife and daughter do for a living.
I mean, we don't do that exactly, but...
Well, I mean, you know. It's kind of similar. We're not on a game show, but it's pretty good.
We're knitting.
They don't
crochet quite
they
a
do
bit.
crochet a lot. A lot. Yes, my hair is wavy today. I explained to Maddie that it's not really wavy, it's just Irish curls.
Okay.
Which
Whatever
means
whatever you say, daughter.
which means a whole lot of nothing. That's what that means.
Mm.
But yeah. I got to get back to learn this poem. Learn this poem. I have to learn this stitch. Because I'm hoping to make some ornaments to give out for the holidays.
Oh, I didn't know you were giving them out.
Yes.
You better get on it.
I know. I'm trying to learn it.
Oh.
It's not easy.
Yeah.
But I'm getting it. The thing, it's like that game Othello. It takes a minute to learn, but a lifetime to master. So, like, it takes more than a minute to learn, but, like, it's a constant practice, you know? You have to get it in your hands. I'm going to do it for, like, maybe half an hour more, and then I got to make the pizza dough.
Well,
And-
if you could grab the gift bags for me
Of course.
and get me started.
And the ribbons.
Yeah.
I hope we have ribbons. Oh, we do have ribbons. Remember at that library sale, we bought like 1,000
nice.
ribbons?
I hope Shandy is not gonna bust in on me grabbing poor
I hope not. Well, you're doing the Lord's work.
Thank you.
And by the Lord, I mean me.
Yeah.
Thank you. Oh, hi.
Hello.
How was your first day back at work today?
It's brutal.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
You feeling better?
Yeah.
It must be everybody that sent you well wishes.
Oh yeah. I appreciated everybody. It worked.
Yeah. It's family night. It's pizza night. We have our beautiful salad over here. We're about to watch Game of Wool. Well, we said what?
Are we? I don't know if we're gonna finish it in time. We could try. We might.
Probably save it for tomorrow.
No, I think we could try it.
We still got one in here. Whoa. All right.
Don't leave it in there this time.
I didn't.
Oh.
Yes.
Pizza.
All right. After we eat, we got to do the birthday shout outs real quick.
All right.
All right.
Hi.
Guess what?
We're at the live stream.
What?
Yay!
Oh no. See you at the holiday party.
Everyone in the chat, say hello.
Here, let's zoom in on the, let's see what the delay is. It should start scrolling any second. Or not.
No one cares.
Oh well. I think either the, there we go. Catherine B knows what to do. We used to do this and the chat used to go wild. But we're at the end of the show now, so.
Yeah, we're getting ready to wrap up.
Yeah, but we just had to, oh, and Isleg? What is that? Izzy leg girl?
I don't know.
Izel girl? And Putz and Lynn Hurst and B Bean.
B Bean says Happy New Year.
Oh, Happy New Year. So anyway, this is where we do the live stream in this disaster of
It's
a
a
room.
mess.
It is a mess right now because all of the Christmas stuff is out. All of the crochet stuff is out over there.
Mm-hmm.
The big bag of fluff right there. This isn't so messy except for the can of beans.
Is that part of the Christmas display?
It is now.
Okay.
I thought Lammy was still here, but she's not.
No, but Bubby is sawing logs over there.
Oh, he's so tired now. After he caused a ruckus.
He certainly did. All right, we're gonna sign off on the vlog.
Wait, but first you have to tell me, what was the thing in the basement that Fred Armisen's wife said was in the basement?
What?
Rucka?
Ruckle?
Ruckle.
Okay, I thought you meant like his wife in real
No, no,
life.
no,
You have to tell me which show you're talking
Horrible
about.
people.
She's talking about difficult people. A Dybbuk.
A Dybbuk. That's what Bubby is, a Dybbuk.
No, he's not.
Yes, he is. He's a Dybbuk.
He's a good boy.
No, he's
All
bad.
right. But we're going to sign off on the vlog.
Yes.
So thank you all so much for watching.
Yes, thank you. Are we signing off of the live show too?
We're doing that separate. No, we're doing that
okay.
separately. Okay. Thank you all so much for watching. We will see you tomorrow. And until next time, much love.
Bye, everybody.